Welcome back, folks. You're tuning into the English Coffee Break. I'm Alex, alongside my brilliant co-host, Emma. How's it going today, Emma?
Oh, I'm doing fantastic, Alex. I've been diving into some wonderful comments from our first episode about everyone's inspiring English journeys. It really warms my heart. Laughs.
That's awesome to hear. Today, we're tackling a common challenge that many of our listeners face: the fear of speaking.
The infamous silent wall, right? You know the words, but when it's your turn to speak, it's like, you just freeze up. It's so relatable.
Exactly. What we want to do today is help you break through that wall by discussing a technique called shadowing, and we're also going to chat about how your accent might actually be your greatest strength.
Ooh, I love that. But let's start with fear. What's your take on why so many people are terrified to speak? Is it really that serious?
Great question. It often boils down to the fear of judgment. Many people think everyone is scrutinizing their mistakes, but in reality, most native speakers are simply looking to connect. If they can understand you, that's already a win.
Right. It's all about connection, not about being perfect. So, back to shadowing. Can you break that down for us? What exactly is it? It sounds cool.
Shadowing is quite simple, actually. Basically, you listen to a native speaker, and then you repeat what they say, either at the same time or immediately after.
So it's like mimicking the rhythm and emotion of their speech, right? I feel like I could use that technique while cooking too. Like, when I try to make a perfect souffle, I'd need to mimic the chef's moves.
Exactly. And the beauty is you don't even need to understand every single word. It's about training your mouth and your mind to move like an English speaker.
That's super interesting. Speaking of speaking, we have a new phrase of the day. What do you have for us today, Alex? I'm intrigued.
Today's phrase is, to get the hang of it.
Oh, I love that. It's such a useful expression. It means to learn how to do something that was tough at first. I can totally relate.
Exactly. For example, you could say, at first, driving was really stressful for me, but now I'm finally getting the hang of it.
I can totally relate to that. I remember when I first tried to ride a bike. Oh my gosh, I fell like 100 times, but once I got the hang of it, I was zipping around like a pro. Laughs.
Haha, that's the spirit. Now let's dive into the topic of accents. Many students express a desire to hide their accents. What do you think about that?
I think I've heard people trying so hard to lose it. But can you imagine? What if you could combine your accent with, like, superhero powers? Wouldn't that be funny? Laughs.
You know, I believe every accent is beautiful. It represents your multilingual background and culture. As long as you're clear when you speak, there's absolutely no reason to hide your accent. Just refine it.
Absolutely. Be proud and authentic. Speak English with your unique history woven into it. I think my accent would totally be my superpower.
And don't forget to put that shadowing technique to good use with this podcast. Replay episodes and try to speak along. It can really enhance your fluency.
Yes, consistency is key here. Just 10 minutes a day can make a huge difference. Ooh, I want to do that immediately.
Thanks for joining us for episode 2. We're genuinely proud of your progress, listeners.
Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment with the new phrase, and keep that coffee warm, everyone. I can't wait to hear your stories.
Take care, and most importantly, keep practicing.
Until next time, goodbye for now. I'll miss this until we chat again.